Ready?
Okay, go. Okay, this is third gear on the Hobart. We took the skins off so you could see everything on the inside. We're going to step over here. There's the armature. And we'll go ahead and raise and lower the dolly. Let's go ahead and run that one more time all the way through its whole length. Take it all the way down. All right, let's go ahead and change gear. Let's see it in fourth gear. We have to let it stop all the way. Get a shot of the transmission stuff. There's first, second, and third, fourth gear. It's a 4-speed. Here's the transmission mechanism. Okay, let's see in fourth gear. That's a lot of torque. That'll make some biscuits pretty quick.